Okay, flutes, 67. It's called Lullaby. It's very pretty, right? And lullabies, typically, you would think of them as loud or soft. Probably soft, right? So notice something at the beginning of number 67. You have our treble clef, right? Usual. We got our B flat and our E flat, which means we're in what mini scale? B flat mini, that's right. Okay, B flat mini, right? Has 2, so we're in the key of concert B flat. Okay, if I ask you what scale we're playing, right? You're going to look at your flats. You're going to say that's the same as my concert B flat mini scale, and you say we're in the key of concert B flat. Then we see we have a 3/4, 3 beats per measure. Quarter note gets 1 beat, and the thing I was talking about before, right, is the P down there. P means piano, which means soft, which means less air. Okay? All right. Now, let's count the first measure. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 3, note name. 2, ready, go. Do you tongue the second note? No, it's slurred, right? Play it again, ready? Or play it this time. 1, 2, play it, go. Count measure 2, ready, go. 1, 2, note name, measure 2, ready, go. Play it, make sure you're not doing this. Right, we need our fingers to move at the same time. Play measure 2. 1, 2, play measure 2, go. Again, ready, go. Good. First 2 measures count. Ready, 1, 2, count the first 2, tap your feet. 1, 3, 1, 2. If you need to count it again, go back and do that. If not, note name. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, I'm sorry. 1, 2, ready, note name, go. B flat, C, D, F, finger long, great, play it. 1, 2, measure 1 and 2, go. Look at measure 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Look at measure 5 and 6. What do you notice about 5 and 6? They are the same. Yes, they're the same, right? Okay, 5 and 6 are the same as 1 and 2. Let's play 5 and 6. Ready? 1, 2, 5 and 6, go. Play 1 and 2. 1, 2, ready, go. Great. Now I want you to look at measure 3 and 4. Tell me something. Are 3 and 4 counted the same or different, counted the same or different as 1 and 2? Same. Yes, good job. The same, right? Okay, count measure 3 and 4. 1, 2, count 3 and 4, go. 1, 3, 1, 2. Now, do you tongue the first note? Yes. Do you tongue the second note? No. Do you tongue the third note? No. Do you tongue the fourth note? No, because it's under a slur, right? So you say 2, right? Say that with me. 1, 2, say 2, ready, go. 2. Now 2 in finger. 1, 2, 2 in finger, ready, go. 2. If you need to back up and do that again, you can do that. If not, let's play it. 1, actually, you know what? Note name. 1, 2, note name, go. C, B flat, D, C. If you need to go back and do that again, do it again. If not, let's play. 1, 2, 3, and 4, play, go. All right. Let's look at measure the last one. Okay, measure the last one, that's what it's called officially. The last measure, right? In the last measure, you see something. You see this boy right there, and you see that guy on top of it, right? Okay, we got this dotted half note gets 3 beats, but you see this thing is called a fermata, if you remember. And what does a fermata do, class? Jenna. Correct. It makes you hold the note out for a long time, right? So you hold it out for as long as I tell you to hold it out, all right? Last note is just a B flat. We're not going to go over that. You can do that. Let's look at the second to last measure. We have C, D, B flat, fermata. Play the last 2 measures. I don't think we need to count it or anything. Ready? Play the last 2 measures. 1, 2, ready, go. How many counts did we hold at? 4. Good. Okay, play the last 2 measures one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, we're going to go through it. If you're going to nail it, then you can play with me. But if you're somebody who you might make a mistake, even one, then I want you to note name it, right? So let's note name it, then we're going to two it, and then we're going to play it, okay? If you nail it the first time, then you can just stop the video. But if you make one mistake, then I want you to note name and two it with me, okay? Note name, beginning. Soft. 1, 2, note name finger, go. B flat, C, D, F, C, B flat, E, C, B flat, C, D, F, C, D, B flat. All right, two it. 1, 2, 2 and finger, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Great. If you need to do that again and review, do that again. If not, let's play the whole thing. Ready? Beginning, soft, really quiet. It's a lullaby, right? You probably woke up your baby sibling, right, because you're playing your flute. Now it's time to put him back to sleep. Okay, ready? 1, 2, beginning, go. Good job. If you need to go back and review, go back and review. I encourage you to keep practicing through your book. If you're done, that's all right. Good job. I will see you tomorrow.